welcome back to Pocket Size Animation Studio. In this video, I will take you through the process that I used to create a very short animation sequence using my phone and the Stop Motion Studio app. First, let's get started with all of the things that I need for this sequence. I'm going to need some plasticine, 2 small beads, a bit of metal wire, a tin box and a paper clip that I'll use as props, some blue tack, a modeling tool, a pair of tweezers, a pair of pliers, and a homemade cardboard phone stand. Next, I'm going to make a little plasticine character. I've got some plasticine rolled out. I'll separate this into 4 parts for the head, torso, arms, and legs. And I'll separate these bits further so that I can make arms and legs. I'm going to make the legs wider at the bottom so that the character is stable and able to stand up. Now I'm going to carefully pick up these eyes to place on the head. I'll cut a bit of metal wire using these pliers and attach the head to the body using this bit of wire. Now my character is ready to be animated. I'm going to set up everything I need for the animation. This metal tin is one of the props. I'm going to take some of the blue tack that I have, flatten it, and stick it to the bottom of this tin. Press it down so that it's firm and so it doesn't move while I'm animating. This is just a piece of cardboard, but it's cut and folded this way so that it can be used as a stand for my phone. I'm going to put the phone over here, make sure that the lens is at the top, and I'll adjust the position so that the camera is in the right place. Once I've got the right position, I'll put the phone to the side and take more bits of blue tack and use these to attach the phone stand firmly to the table. Put the phone back on the stand, and finally I've got my plasticine character that I've placed in front of the phone. I'm ready to begin animating.